thanks for watching our next video. We are at the piano workshop, right in the front of Steinway Model B. This grand piano ready for strings installation. And as you see, we did already 2 unisons. And then we do it more and more. And this process already described in many articles. There's no reason to focus on this installation, but we want to show you that in the process of restoration, by using hammer, we create a lot of stress on the pinboard. That's why we want to show you some tools that's eliminated. And basically it's a jacks. It's a simple design, but it got a very, very strong base. It means it's 35 pounds of the brass with a screw here and its support, and it absorbs all the stress. Another very, very unique tool, we designed it just by creating a metal box with the 3 layers of lead. As you know, lead is absorb the vibrations. We put a plate here and actually put a jack. 2 of them works perfect, and we recommend you to jack up and the keypad right from the floor. It's make all these solid connections, and when you work, your pin goes like a butter. It's very just helpful. One more thing I want to show you here is to talk about this hammer. It's an anti-vibe by Stanley. It's a great design. Since if you work with this hammer, you got no problem with your wrist. You can work hours and hours, and your hands and wrist and elbows never tired. Besides this, I want to show you, as you see, all the special tools I made them in different colors. It's very helpful, and of course you know about this, so you just like make a protection just in case if you by accident can touch refinished cabinet. But now we go to our main tool. I designed it probably 10 years ago. I call it Restringing Station. You see, this is a cabinet. It carries all the cassette inside and behind these doors, with the different sizes of the piano wire. And we got the compartments here this is for a guide to restringing. It's a book, we needed some mostly. And this for our tool. On the top of the cabinet, by the lifting the stop, you see, we can see all this mechanism that makes this wire rotate and distribute it very nicely. This is rotating table. You see, it's got some unique feature. It's just kills the inertia. When you rotate the wire, it's keep going, but this is just eliminated. It's stopped very fast. Beside this, we got this special clamp for the wire. You install it very fast, and you just like put it on desired distance. And here is the unit that creates single loop. When we work on the Steinways, we need just sometimes 1 or 2. You can do it. Some technicians use the nails or drill bits to make that. But when you work on a European piano, you have to make 100 or probably around 200 single loops. That's when you need this unit better. But let's see how it works. When you open the doors, you get access to cassette. And let's say you pull it and you got the wire with a desired number, and you can see it here, number 16, or it's here, right on the shelf. And by just by sliding it, and you see, and it's locked on this table. And you can just rotate it. Once you take the wire, be careful because it's like a spring, and you lock it in our holder. Now you can move the wire, right? And distribution of wire very comfortable. You just pull it easy, and as you see, it stops. It stops, and it works very comfortable. It's a Suzuki wire. It's a very just like high quality wire. but you might use some other wires, like let's say MAPE International or Roslau wire, then you need some other cassette. And this table, except some other cassettes, let's put this back. We just lock it wire. You see, it's very simple. And we put it back in our compartment like this. But I show you this cassette with a very good wire. It's Mapes International, nice wire. It is on another cassette, and let's accept this cassette too. You can just again, just like put it in the distributor lock, and you're ready to work with this. Okay, and let me show you if you need a single loop, how we do it. Let's say we cut a piece of wire and we go to this unit. Let's just pull it back in a position, lock it, and it's ready to do it. Yeah, you apply the wire to this special just and make one turn, and you see it makes this one. Then you install it here in our unit like that, lock it, and it's ready. You rotate it 3 times like that. Once it's done, yeah, your single loop is accomplished. You just cut the excess. You can prepare like 100 of them, and all of them just nice, and you can use them. When you have to do it over 100, it's very helpful. But if you do it only 1 or 2, you can do it by hands on a nail or something else. And of course, you see, it's easy to put it back if you don't need it anymore. Move it back, and that's it. Yeah, as you remember, all these tools that we show you, they were pretty simple. And of course, we just like easily can recommend you to make one. This tool, as you see, it's got a lot of parts. It's very complicated. Even it might be, you say easy, but it takes a long time to make it. And I even don't know just like what I can suggest you. The only thing that I remember when I offered this tool to our Piano Technician League that I'm honored to be a member of, yeah, I think some technician, some knowledgeable technician mentioned that it's basically a common stringing station. And I agree with him, because for 100 years and even more, definitely it was somebody did it, maybe in Germany or France or Italy, maybe even here in the United States. That's why it's just a matter for you to do research, and you probably find something like this. But this particular tool is very, very helpful. It means probably decrease the time in half when you work. Besides, it is very comfortable, it's behind you, it stores everything. As you see, it's on wheels, you can roll it any place, it doesn't take a lot of space, and very easy to bring it back. Like you take excess of wire, right? You just like lock it on the post, then release it, put it back like that, and you see, you close it in a matter of seconds. All your cabinet is ready to roll to the safe place. Thank you for watching us, and we're waiting for the next video that will show you some other tool that help you in your restoration. Thanks a lot. All the best.